It's just a quick example showing how I've integrated Dynamics 365. So this is a Dynamics 365. This is an account called it Home Office. Within this account, what I've done is using K2 Smart Forms, I've embedded a little form here that picks up who I am, picks up the current account, and then brings me a list of records out of the CRM system, out of the HP record management system for that particular account. So if I go in here, you can see there's a new record for this particular account loaded inside here. So if I were to go back to my accounts here, let's create a new account. So in the form of creating a new account, we're going to call this new account. I'm going to give it some basic details here, maybe just an address, 201 Miller Street, something along those lines. Say done. Right, so we've created this new account, and what I'm going to do now is just save it. Address can't be found, sorry, let's fix it up. 201 Miller Street, let's go here, North Sydney, here we go. I've enabled geolocation on the CRM system, so I have to fill in the right details here. So I've saved it, all right. So now if I give this a refresh, so it's a brand new account called new account. I'm refreshing that. So on this particular account, the dynamic CRM form opens up. And as what you'll notice here is if I go to my records, you'll see that no records are returned for this particular account, where on the Home Office, there were some records. But I can go in here and I can say, let's create a record. This is just called a simple test for a new account, like that. We'll make that a standard document. Let's go to some sample attachments. There's some Qantas details there. Let's just open those. Okay, great. So let's add that. So I'll create that as a record within this particular account. Now, what does take place is HPRM does take a while to save that document, index it, so it's searchable. So we'll have to just give that a couple of seconds and see what happens. So I'll just pause the video for about 30 seconds and then we'll come back to this record. Okay, so it's just come up. So if I were to refresh this completely, this new account that we created, so here I'm doing a hard refresh. So we open up that new account that we created, and what you'll see inside of the HP Record Manager, it's showing me records that are against this particular account. So we can see there's a new record sitting inside there. So if I go back to the previous one, so if I go back, let's go to the Home Office one, and you'll see inside of here a different set of records. It's just this one that's sitting inside here. So effectively what's happening is this is a K2 Smart Form integrated with both inside of Dynamics CRM as well as against HP Record Manager. And what it is doing is it's picking up the context of who I am and where I am within inside of Dynamics CRM, passing that context across and then doing an automatic search. What I've done as well is enabled the ability to create records directly from within that account, and it tags it immediately against that particular account, as well as being able to say, okay, that's great, but I'm also looking for some other documents. So let me look for a particular record with test star, like that, and then just do a title word search. And there we go. Now I'm searching additional and other records against the HP record management system. So what I've done is I've defaulted by bringing up only records against this particular account, but then also given the ability to search for other records and be able to bring those up as well. And of course, you can define your own functionality here using K2.